Anything else surprising that you learned this summer that came with being in a Yiddish program that maybe you didn't expect?
I didn't really expect to get addicted to Yiddish. I have really enjoyed learning the language, and I think that whether or not I end up being some sort of professor of Jewish history or some sort of historian, I would like to master it for at least for my creative projects, and not necessarily academic ones. I'm still not quite sure where I want to go in life, but I know that no matter what, I do want to be a writer. And so I think that whatever I learn as a result of learning Yiddish, however much of Yiddish culture I can come to understand, I can use in my art. So I think I want to continue with it. That was surprising to me. I came here just because I wanted to try something new. I didn't really have an agenda this summer when I first arrived. And actually the very shortly before I arrived, I was panicking and cursing myself for ever signing up or agreeing to go. And I had no idea what to expect. And now I'm just very glad that I did end up going.
Are there any parts of Yiddish language or culture that you're especially addicted to?
Well, I love the singing. I love the songs. Especially, always my favorite songs have been songs that tell stories, predictably. And so the fact that so many Yiddish songs do tell very incredible stories is something that I had never quite realized before, and something that I've come to really enjoy.
Do you have any specific examples you want to share?
Oh, well, I guess I've had Disa Poshkalech stuck in my head for the last couple of weeks. Or Du Linke, mein Kind, or just a lot of these stories that are woven into song.
And what are the storylines of both of those songs? Do you want to give a brief synopsis?
Okay. So in Disa Poshkalech, the singer is talking about all these comforts in her life that she would give up in order to be with the person that she loves. And there are many things that you can. I think that there's so many things that you can imagine that story being a part of, or so many situations that could be a part of, or where that could go. Or who the singer is, who the person that she loves is, and whether or not they actually will go through with it. And she really will end up washing the floors of strangers, or sleeping without a pillow, eating without a table.
All those sacrifices.
Mm-hmm. And is this a teenager who is not serious about it, or is this a teenager who is serious about it? Either way, probably somebody very young and impulsive, I think.
And Du Linke, mein Kind?
Oh, that's a story about, at least literally, about a Jewish king and queen, and the queen has a vineyard, and there's the little bird who lives there, and when the king dies and she's crushed by grief, she the little branch that the nest is on, and the vineyard breaks, and the bird flies away. But the curious thing about that song is that the chorus is about, it's a lullaby. It's hush, my child, and one of the lines is, I have lost such a love, woe is me. And so I don't think that's about the queen. I think that's about whoever happens to be rocking the child to sleep. And I wonder what love it is that she lost.
Thought-provoking lullabies.
Yeah, there are lots of, I think, secrets that are woven into that kind of folklore. And they're not questions that have answers. They're questions that you just have to imagine answers for.